Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive DIY home repair guide. Today, we'll navigate through the necessary steps to tackle common home issues efficiently and effectively. First, let's discuss the tools you'll need. Having the right tools is crucial. A basic toolkit should include 1. Screwdriver set, both flathead and Phillips, as various screws will require different screwdrivers. 2. Pliers, useful for gripping and twisting wires or small objects. 3. Hammer, essential for driving nails into surfaces. 4. A tape measure, ensures accurate measurements, preventing mistakes. 5. Level, to ensure your installations are straight. 6. Utility knife, great for cutting materials, from cardboard to more substantial items. Before starting any project, make sure your workspace is clean and organized. Clear any clutter away, as this will help you focus and reduce the risk of accidents. Now, let's dive into the first repair task, fixing a leaky faucet. Begin by turning off the water supply to the faucet. Use your screwdriver to remove the handle by unscrewing the screws located under the handle or at the back. Once you have access, inspect the washer or O-ring for wear or damage. If it looks worn out, replacing it can often solve the leak. While you work, if you don't have the tools handy, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for all your repair needs. This means you can have the right tools brought to you without any hassle. After replacing the damaged parts, reassemble the faucet in reverse order, ensuring all screws are tight but not overly so. This can prevent damage. Next, let's look at cleaning the interior of your appliances, which can enhance their performance. For example, cleaning your refrigerator coils can improve efficiency. Unplug the appliance, then use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to gently clean the coils. This simple task can save you money on energy bills. For internal cleaning, use a mixture of vinegar and water to wipe down surfaces. This not only cleans but also helps eliminate odors. If you're unsure or uncomfortable doing this yourself, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation to determine any underlying issues. Moving on to fixing a loose doorknob, start by inspecting the screws that hold the knob in place. Use your screwdriver to tighten them. If the screws are stripped, you might need to replace them or use a larger screw to secure the knob firmly. If you're ever facing complex repairs or simply don't have the time, consider our quote before repair service. We ensure transparency and help you make informed decisions about the work needed. Lastly, always ensure that you have a well-stocked toolbox for future projects. This includes spare screws, nails, and a variety of fasteners. Preparing in advance can save significant time and effort later. In summary, tackling home repairs requires the right tools and techniques. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness, and remember that help is available if you need it. With these tips, you can confidently approach your next DIY project and achieve great results. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.